Salam Alikum everyone, this is Amir from Kabul, Afghanistan. Welcome to my channel again and thank you for watching my videos. I'm so pleased to tell you that today I am taking a tour of a very luxurious shopping mall in Kabul city, namely Gulbahar shopping mall. It is located in the heart of Kabul, which is called the Afghanan area or Charai Malik Asghar. A lot of people visit this market, this shopping mall, but particularly this is a luxury market. It is home to many jewelries, clothing and shoes stores, also to electronic items, and of course some very luxurious restaurants. Most people visiting this shopping mall are rich people, and as you might notice, there are not so much people in this video because it's filmed during the Ramadan month, which typically people don't walk outside or go outside frequently. Thank you guys, so please keep watching. Also your like, comment and subscribe helps support me as a small content creator. Thank you so much. Let's continue and watch this video. Since the majority of my audience are also Afghan, so I would like to speak both language, Dari and English, throughout the videos. If you like it, I hope it's not so boring for you guys. خب هموطن عزیز سلام علیکم. امیر هستم از کابل افغانستان. Guys, I'm just translating the things I earlier said. امروز آمدیم به گلبهار سنتر، یک مرکز تجارتی در شهر کابل واقع در چهارراه ملک اصغر است و یک محل برای مردم پولدار و شیک است. همچنان در اینجا دکان‌های لباس فروشی، بوت فروشی، لوازم الکترونیک، دفاتر سیاحتی و همچنان بعضی رستوران‌ها هستند. امیدوار هستم ویدیوهایم خوشتان بیاید. اگر خوشتان اومد لایک، کامنت و سابسکرایب فراموش نکنین. تشکر بسیار زیاد. میریم به طرف ویدیو و تور خود شروع میکنیم. Great guys, this shopping mall is consist of two halls and also it has ground floor, underfloor and also 3 floors. So it's I can say it's huge. دوستا بینندای عزیزی شاپینگ مال که از گلبهار سنتر دارای 2 هال است و 3 منزل داره همراه با گراند فلور و یک زیرزمینی که معمولا در زیرزمینی ها رستورانت هستن. In both halls guys there are 2 restaurants. It's they are not local restaurants, they're like more fast food restaurants because most people who visit it are rich and high profile people, so they prefer fast food restaurants. همونطور گفتم بیننده عزیز در رستوران در منزل تکوی اردویش رستورانت های فست فود است و مردمی که اونجا میرن زیاد غذای محلی را خوش ندارن، مثل قابلی پلو و چیزا را بینن. It might be a question for so many of you that how are Afghans able to afford shopping in such luxury malls. شاید برای زیاد مردم سوال باشه که با وجود وضعیت اقتصادی خراب چطور افغان ها میتونن در تو مراکز تجارتی خوب خریداری کنن. Well guys, it's a tradition. It's so mainstream here. یک قسم یک رسم شده زیاد رواج افتاده that on special occasions, particularly on public occasions such as Eid al-Fitr, which is the Muslims Eid after the Ramadan month, and 2 months after the Ramadan, on New Year or Persian New Year, which we call it Nowruz, they have to prepare new clothes and shoes for both themselves and their family members. It's obligatory. برای زیاد مردم شما میفهمید یک رسم و رواج است. بعد از اینکه رمضان خلاص میشه در عید سعید فطر و عید اضحی یا عید قربان و همچنان مناسبت های دیگه مثل نوروز، مردم یک چیز فرضیت یافته در جامعه باید لباس نو و کالای نو جور کنن. So guys, for those who are not Afghans, بر کسایی که افغان نیستن, you might notice that people are poor here, the economic situation is bad, it's kind of about to collapse, or many people are facing severe hunger. مردم زیاده که افغان نیستن فکر میکنن افغان حالت اقتصادی به حد خراب دارن, با فقر شدید مواجه هستن. But I want to tell you guys that despite all, میخوایم براتون بگم با وجود همه چیز, they need to shop. ضرورت دارن تا خریداری کنن. It's part of the culture. جزء از فرهنگ است. So guys, let's keep up watching. Let's keep up. I like this floor, guys, because here we have many men clothing store and some women as well, as you can see, guys. Wow, this one is great. And of course, something you might notice that many people working here, they have made many luxury stores. They like it's kind of, they like good decorations. کسایی زیادتر اینجا کار میکنن خوش دارن دکوریشن خوب کنن. And as you saw a bit earlier, و قسمی که چند ثانیه پیش دیدن, there was a hall, there was also a car inside it. یک موتر هم داخل از او بود. They usually the car is for a lottery process. موتر به خاطر لاتری است. People who eat a lot or shop a lot at the restaurants, they get the chance for their name to be on the list for the lottery. You know guys, کسایی که زیاد خریداری کنن در رستوران نان میخورن, باز نان به قید خوره برای یک برنده میتن. You know guys, it's not like real. خودتان میفهمین و قراسی نیست, but I think it might happen. اما شاید اتفاق بفته. Personally, شخصا, I don't know anyone who have received any gift or anything from lotteries here in my community. من خودم شخصا کسی را در جامعه خود یا چهارطرف خود نمیشناسم. Any of my relatives, کسی از فامیلایم, or anyone else who have received any lottery or such thing during the past years. کسی را نمیشناسم در سالهای آخر کدام لاتری و چیز برنده شده باشه یا گرفته باشه. So I can't believe this at all. خب نمیتونم دیگه من باورش کنم. Well guys, at this part I want to tell you a fun fact about this shopping mall. در قسمت میخوایم یک چیز جالبه براتون بگیم درباره این مرکز. Many people I personally know visit this shopping mall just to, it's kind of not like time pass or time wastage, but they want to have like fun or just, it's just, it gives them joy to be there and visit this shopping mall. زیاده کسایی را که ما میشناسم بعضی وقتا دق میارن خسته میشن, یک احساس خوشی برشان میده که برن اینجا یا داوودزایی بگردن, یک ذره احساس راحتی میکنن. Thank you for watching guys. Please don't forget to give us a like, comment and subscribe so I can reach more audience and people. تشکر از همتون. لایک، کامنت و سابسکرایب فراموش نکنید. Have a great day. روز خوش داشته باشید.